Welcome to LinguaWire English A1. Today, we have two stories. One about an important vote in Armenia, and one about a young tennis player winning a big sports event. Please join us to practice your English every day with the latest episode. For transcripts and quizzes, visit LinguaWire.com. Today, I have Sarah with me. She is a LinguaWire reporter and knows a lot about news from around the world. Hello, Sarah.
Hello, Daniel. I'm happy to be here.
Sarah, what is happening in Armenia right now?
Armenia is having a vote. People are choosing their leader.
Who is the leader now?
The leader now is Prime Minister Nikol Pashinyan. He wants to stay as leader for a third time.
What is special about this vote?
This vote is very important. It will decide if Armenia stays close to Western countries or goes back to Russia.
Why is this choice important for Armenia?
Because Armenia has had more problems with Russia. The leader wants to work more with Europe and the West.
How do people feel about this?
Some people like the leader's plan, but many people are unhappy. His support went down from 54% to about 30%.
What is the main problem people talk about?
The main problem is about a place called Nagorno-Karabakh. It is a mountain area that was part of Armenia but now belongs to Azerbaijan.
Did the leader make any changes about this place?
Yes, he made a peace agreement with Azerbaijan. Some people do not like this agreement. They think it is too easy on Azerbaijan.
Do many people like this peace agreement?
People are divided. About 44% like it, but 41% do not.
What will happen after the vote?
We will see if the leader wins again. If he wins, Armenia may keep working with the West. If not, the country may change its plans.
Thank you, Sarah. This vote sounds very important for Armenia's future.
Yes, it is a big moment for the country. Thank you, Daniel.
Now I am with Adam, a LinguaWire reporter who follows sports news. Hello, Adam.
Hello, Daniel. Great to be here.
Adam, what big news do you have from sports today?
A young tennis player named Mira Andreeva won a very big sports event called the French Open.
Who is Mira Andreeva?
She is 19 years old and from Russia. She is very good at tennis, and this is her first big win.
What is special about this win?
Mira is the youngest woman to win this event since 1992. It is a big success for a young player.
Who did she play against in the final?
She played against Maja Chwalinska from Poland. Maja was not expected to reach the final.
How did the match go?
Mira won in two parts, 6-3 and 6-2. It took 1 hour and 22 minutes.
Was the match easy for Mira?
Not at first. The start was tense with many breaks in serve, but Mira stayed calm and won the important games.
How did Mira feel after winning?
She was very happy. She fell to the ground and then hugged her coach. She said winning was her dream.
What does this win mean for Mira's future?
It shows she can be a top player. Many people will watch her career closely now.
Thank you, Adam. This is an exciting story for tennis fans.
Yes, it is a great moment for Mira and tennis. Thank you, Daniel.
Let's look at some useful words from today's stories. First, from the Armenia vote story. The first word is leader. It means the person who guides or controls a country or group. In the story, Nikol Pashinyan is the leader of Armenia. Example: the leader of the school is very kind. The second word is peace. It means no fighting or war. In the story, Armenia made a peace agreement with Azerbaijan. Example: we want peace in the world. The third word is support. It means help or approval from people. The story said, the leader's support is now 30%. Example: I support my friend in the game. Now, a useful verb from the tennis story, win. It means to be first or get a prize in a game or contest. The verb win changes like this: I win, you win, he wins, we win, they win. Example: she wins the race every year. He wins many games. This verb is important because we use it a lot in sports and competitions. That is all for today's language recap. Follow LinguaWire for the latest daily episode and build your daily language habit with us.